Listen to this, very important statement. If you are tough on life, life will be easy on you. If you are easy on life, life will be tough on you. Yes, a marble comes as a marble from a particular quarry. But the point is, what are you? Do you want to be a marble which was put as the flooring in a temple? Or you want to become the same marble which was put as an idol in the altorium? In the sanctum sanctorium, the marble which has been put and the marble which has been put on the floor came from the same quarry. Then what was the difference? The marble which was there on the floor looked at the marble which was there in the sanctum sanctorium, which became the idol god. It looked at the marble and said, we both came from the same quarry. How come I become one on the floor and people are stamping me? And how come you are there, the same marble, in the temple and people are worshipping you and looking up to you? What is the difference? What is the difference? The marble there, which we call it as God, right? The marble told, everybody is willing to look up to me and to worship me because I was willing to take all the blows of the sculptor. I was willing to take up all the challenges that was put across to me. Because I was willing to take up all the challenges, I was willing to be chiseled by the sculptor. You were not willing to be chiseled, so therefore you became a floor where people will stamp on you and go. But if you are willing to face the challenges, because you know the more and more you face the challenges, it's only that they are making you more better and better. The more and more I chip off the unwanted part of you, isn't it? And the beauty of a sculpture that is made as an idol of God is that the unwanted stone was removed. And you can understand that in you also, you got a lot of unwanted things. Unwanted friends, unwanted discussions, unwanted grapevine communications, unwanted rumors, correct or not? All unwanted things, unwanted fears, phobias. If you can start chipping it off, chisel it, obviously you'll be a person who people will look up to you and start worshipping you. Are you willing to be chiseled? If you are willing to be chiseled, you will reach the sanctum sanctorium. That is why we say, if you are tough on yourself, life will be easy on you. If you try to be easy on yourself, life will become tough on you. This is the right age to ensure that you challenge yourself. Do something, work hard, give your best and beyond. Understand this? Give your best and beyond. What is this? Give your best and beyond. I'll give you one classic example. Attitudes, how it shapes. Attitudes do not care. But it shapes your future. Look at this now. A small, this Pani Puri fellow who sells those Pani Puri. After you have paid for the plate of one Pani Puri, you eat the entire Pani Puri. Last he'll give one sukha. Yes. That makes a difference. Because he is given his best and is given something more. You understand? That will somewhere stay back in your mind, wherein you feel like going to the fellow again. Samajh mein aa raha hai kya? He has given his best and he tries to give you something more. Your objective also should be to try your best in the exams and also give something more. That means you also will study like somebody else, but can you give something more? And that is why I told you, when you write answers, you have written the answer, but have you also put the note? You gave the best answer, but you also did something more. Yes or no? When you wrote it, you have written the answer, but you also put the note. Refer to your practice manual, you will find those RTPs. When they give you the answer, they also give you note. Have you done your best? And I have also given you more. Don't apply this to sleeping. I slept, I give myself more. Don't apply this to eating. I ate. My best I have done, I eat more. Don't apply this to negatives. Apply it only to positive. Give your best and try to give more. Are you clear? That is why I told you this. In every relationship, are you a giver in the relationship or are you only a receiver in the relationship. Try to be a contributor to the society and don't be just a consumer in the society. Are you clear? Yes? Super. I wish you all the very best. Accountancy statement is there. Accountancy statement, in profit and loss account we say. For you, linking with that. Don't spend your life on repairs and maintenance. On account is there in your expenditure. Don't spend your life on repairs and maintenance. Spend your life on research and development. Spend your life on research and development. Always try to grow. Every day see to yourself, are you better than what you were yesterday? When I say give your best and something more, tomorrow you will study for 8 hours. Next day, can you make it 8.5 hours? You have walked for 1 kilometer. Can you walk for 1.5 kilometer? You have given your best. But can you also give something more? If you have seen the Olympic champions, when they run the 100-meter dash, the moment they reach the finishing line, they will never stop. They will always go 1 yard more. Have you seen that? Because that is when you always ensure that momentum is always there. Not that you will stop saying that anyway the finishing line is coming. Records are not created when you stop by seeing the finishing line. Records are created when you go even more faster at the finishing line. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes? Give your best and also give something more. You have been loving your parents, but can you do something more than that? You love your mother, but can you start loving motherhood? Any mother. You love your teacher, can you start loving all the teachers? That is teacherhood. You understand this? You love your father, can you start loving fatherhood? That is all the fathers. You love your friend, can you start loving friendship? That is everybody in the relationship of friends. You love the subject, can you start loving all the subjects? Any subject. Are you understanding this? Yes. Unbiased, unconditional love for everything what you are doing. If you can do that, if you are talking about giving your best and giving something more. Rank holder is the one who gives his best and also gives something more. And that is why you have to be there. Are you clear? Study, but study something more. Work hard, but do something more. Are you clear with this? So let me conclude by telling, tomorrow, anytime, anywhere, I am coming from that side, you are coming from this side. Don't look at me, turn off and go away. Meet, greet, and wish each other.
Happy morning.
Meet, greet, and treat. I would have definitely created an impact for you. I know. As far as I am concerned, I will always be there. No, literally also. Not that only when you close your eyes. No, not that way. Because new batch has started, I will be here. So any point of time when you are studying, you get a doubt. You just have to find out from our reception here as to what is my class timing, and you will know when I am having the classes. You can always come and meet me and clarify your doubts. That's what I meant. You understand? That is actually. Otherwise also, I am always there. I am always there. It may be time to say goodbye to you. As students of IPCC only. See you soon. All of us may not be CA tires. All of us may not be CA tires. At least we can try and be Kawasaki Bajaj Caliber. As a student, think of Pepsi. As far as I am concerned, I would like to call you all as Onida. I'll repeat. All of us may not be CA tires, born tough. All of us may not be CA tires. Swan, tough. At least we can try and be Kawasaki Bajaj Caliber, the unshakable. And think of Pepsi. ये दिल मांगे मोर. Doing your best, something more. दिल मांगे more. As far as I am concerned, I would like to call you all as Nida. Neighbors envy, owner's pride.
Pride.